Let's go. Right there, that's what's up. Don't tell them our time. We got 36 seconds, so that's good. You guys gotta beat 40.
Just 40 seconds.
Just 40. Good luck.
40 seconds?
Yeah, good luck. Good luck. You got it. Listen, you gotta do what you gotta do, bro.
I do, gotta win.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that's slow.
As the construction worker started off much slower than
boys,
us,
we got this.
I realized that all
got
of the
this.
squats in the gym
We got this.
finally paid off.
Dude, look at them struggle. I'm not gonna lie, they are pushing it a little fast.
Let's go!
Yo, what the heck? Wait, what's happening right now? Oh my God, bro, we're screwed. We're screwed. You're kidding me. 27. Yo, 27. Yo, you guys got 45 seconds. You suck.
Ain't no way.
20